Perkins reaction. When aromatic aldehyde is heated with aliphatic acid anhydride, in the presence of the sodium salt of the acid corresponding to the anhydride, we are getting the alpha beta unsaturated acid by condensation. Alpha beta unsaturated acid by condensation. What are the reactants? Aromatic aldehyde, aliphatic acid anhydride, and the same sodium salt of the acid. For example, if we take acetic acid, we have to use the sodium salt of the acid is sodium acetate. If we take acetic acid, the corresponding sodium salt of the acid is sodium acetate. In condensation, there is a removal of water molecule. We already know while condensation takes place, there should be the removal of water molecule. In benzaldehyde oxygen and acetic anhydride hydrogen, both it combine and remove as a water molecule, we are getting this compound. After that, this compound is combined with water, we are getting the two products, cinnamic acid and acetic acid. Cinnamic acid and acetic acid. Here cinnamic acid is the alpha beta unsaturated acid. Cinnamic acid is alpha beta unsaturated acid. How we are getting the product? Let me know. Here this compound is divided into two portions. In upper portion, hydrogen is combined. In lower portion, OH is combined. OH is combined. Now we read C6H5, CH double bond CH, C double bond OH. C6H5, CH double bond CH, C double bond OH. Here C6H5, C double bond OH, that is acetic acid. So by the addition of water molecule, we are getting the cinnamic acid and acetic acid, mixture of cinnamic acid and acetic acid. Cinnamic acid is the alpha beta unsaturated acid. Navanagel reaction. Navanagel reaction. In this reaction, benzaldehyde react with malonic acid. Benzaldehyde react with malonic acid. After condensation, we are getting cinnamic acid in the presence of pyridine. Here, this pyridine acts as the basic catalyst. Benzaldehyde react with the malonic acid in presence of pyridine. We are getting the cinnamic acid. Here, pyridine react as a basic catalyst. It acts as a basic catalyst. Let us see the chemical reaction. As usual, in condensation reaction, there is a removal of water molecule. O from benzaldehyde, H2 from malonic acid, both it condense, we are getting C6H5, CH double bond C, COOH, COOH. After removal of CO2, we are getting cinnamic acid, C6H5, CH double bond CH, COOH. This is cinnamic acid. It is named as Navanagel reaction. Reaction with amine. The aromatic aldehydes, they react with primary amines, either aliphatic or aromatic, in the presence of an acid to form cis base. In the aromatic aldehyde, we are taking benzaldehyde. It reacts with primary amine, either aliphatic or aromatic. Here we took aniline. It is a primary aromatic amine. Aniline is the primary aromatic amine. In the presence of an acid, it is mentioned as H+. It gives cis base. It gives cis base. This is cis base. Its name is benzol aniline. Benzol aniline. How we get this? By the removal of water molecule. As usual, from benzaldehyde oxygen and H2 from aniline, there is a removal of water molecule. Both it combined, we are getting benzol aniline. Next, condensation with tertiary aromatic amines. Condensation with tertiary aromatic amines. What is tertiary aromatic amine? This is a tertiary aromatic amines. In dimethyl NN dimethyl aniline. NN dimethyl aniline. In amines we have NH2 group. In amines we have NH2 group. Instead of this hydrogen, methyl group is replaced. It becomes NCH3 twice. So it is a tertiary amine. It is a tertiary amine. Now we move. Benzaldehyde condenses with tertiary aromatic amines like NN dimethyl aniline. NN dimethyl aniline in the presence of strong acid to form triphenyl methane di. Triphenyl methane di. This another name is malachite green dye. Another name is malachite green dye. The benzaldehyde condenses with tertiary aromatic amines. Here we took NN dimethyl aniline. It is a tertiary aromatic amine. How it is tertiary? In amine group, the 2 hydrogen is replaced with methyl group CH3. So it is named as tertiary amine. NN dimethyl aniline in presence of strong acid. Here we taken concentrated sulfuric acid. Concentrated sulfuric acid. We know the condensation always take place with removal of water molecule. The same way here also there is a removal of water molecule. As usual, go from benzaldehyde and each hydrogen is taken from NN dimethyl aniline. NN dimethyl aniline. After removal of water molecule, the C double bond, it bond with one with NN dimethyl aniline and also second bond also bond with NN dimethyl aniline. So it become malachite green dye. Malachite green dye. What is the name? It is triphenyl methane dye. Triphenyl methane dye. It's a very important reaction. This question already asked in the book bag. How will you prepare malachite green dye from benzaldehyde? So book bag question. So you have to recall thoroughly.